Had a fella pull into the shop last week with a John Deere 4440 that steered easy enough cold, then the hitch got slow and the remote cylinder quit lifting with any pep. He was ready to buy a pump. I told him, let's let the tractor tell us what's wrong first. John Deere 4440 hydraulic problems can mean lazy steering, weak remotes, a slow 3-point hitch, or trouble that starts after the oil warms. Ignore it and a routine service job can become expensive damage. First, read the whole tractor. Write down what works: steering, brakes, hitch, and remotes. Note whether it changes cold to warm. If everything is weak, think oil supply, oil condition, filter, screen, or pump side trouble. If one remote is the only problem, look at that coupler, hose, cylinder, implement, or valve before blaming the main pump. Next, check the oil level exactly the way Deere says to. Don't fill it until it looks close enough. Look for foamy, milky, dirty, or burnt-smelling oil. If service history is unknown, inspect the filter and suction screen by the proper procedure. Obvious metal or friction material means stop and follow the manual's cleanup steps. Then check remote couplers and hose ends. Relieve pressure first, and never force a connection. Try a known good implement if it can be done safely. If trouble follows the implement, you may have a cylinder bypassing internally, not a tractor-wide failure. Here's the fix: service contaminated oil, filter, and screen correctly, repair damaged couplers or hoses, then operate one function at a time and record the result. Don't hold a control against relief. And don't use a pressure number from somebody else's tractor. Use the right manual test sequence for your transmission setup. Here's something they don't tell you in the YouTube comments: warm-only weakness is a clue, not a pump diagnosis. Keep notes. If you want the full service information and diagrams for your 4440, I've got the John Deere manual collection at the manual store, the link's right below. Thumbs up if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.